Marmalead versus Everbee. In this video, I'm going to show you the differences between Marmalead and Everbee for Etsy sellers. Marmalead is a powerful Etsy SEO tool that helps sellers optimize their listings based on search volume, keyword competition, and price trends. It provides insights into what shoppers are searching for and recommends effective keywords to use in product titles, descriptions, and tags. Everbee, on the other hand, is a product research tool that focuses on sales analytics. It allows sellers to analyze top performing products, estimated sales, and revenue data. By understanding the best selling products in your niche, you can make data driven decisions on which products can create or promote. If your primary goal is to enhance your Etsy SEO and attract more traffic, Marmalade is the better choice. It helps you refine your listing strategy based on keyword performance. However, if you want to identify trending products and understand what is selling well, Everbee is the more suitable option. It provides valuable insights into what products are generating the most revenue and why. Both tools can be used together to maximize Etsy success by optimizing listings and identifying profitable product opportunities. And that's the key comparison between Marmalade and Everbee.